Up first this evening, the People's National Party PNP has filed a motion in the Supreme Court to get sections of the National Identification Registration NIDS Act terminated.
The motion was filed by PNP General Secretary Julian Robinson against the Attorney General on Tuesday morning.
President of the People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, at a media briefing on Tuesday morning, saying sections of the National Identification System NIDS Act infringes on citizens' rights protected by the Constitution. He says the PNP is seeking an order that the sections be declared null and void.
We believe that, as I have said, that there are elements of the bill that infringe the basic constitutional rights of our citizens. Any benefits to be derived from digitization of public administration and from a national identification system must be done within the context of adequate and robust data protection and security.
Dr. Phillips adds that the lawsuit is a direct response to the government's refusal to put the act to a joint select committee of Parliament while it was debated. He says the bill was passed with undue urgency.
This bill that was rushed through the Parliament is flawed. It was poorly drafted, which may be seen in the fact that there were some 264 amendments to the bill in the Parliament, which is perhaps a record as far as public legislation is concerned.
People's National Party Attorney-at-Law Donna Scott Motley added that the opposition would be acting on behalf of concerned Jamaicans.
It is our considered opinion, supported by over 60,000 people who did an online petition to the government, and supported by various interest groups who were so moved by the circumstances that they took out a full-page ad, joining in the call for the government to stop, take a break, and put the matter back in Joint Select Committee. This was totally ignored, and so today we are acting as the loyal opposition of the people of this country, and we are defending and protecting their constitutional rights.
Lawyers representing the PNP are former Solicitor General Michael Hilton, Michael Vassiana, Jennifer Housen, Sophia Fraser-Binns, and Donna Scott Motley. In February, Dr. Phillips indicated the PNP was taking the matter to the Constitutional Court, arguing that he would not allow the sections of the law encroaching on the constitutional rights of the people to go unchallenged. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.